very hard to let go of swatches, even when you're completely done with them. And then I have things like this, which is, I think, all but like 2 or 3 of Anzula's yarns. I used to do yarn reviews for them, so I have these yummy swatches and all of their yarns. And fortunately, I have all that information in my computer, so if I'm going to use one of their yarns, I can just look up what my stockinette gauge was or what size needle I used. So that's what I'm working on during the music hour. And so that leads me to knitter's math. I don't do a lot of sizes and haven't ever, because it takes so much time and requires attention to detail that I really am not good at. So I was juggling spreadsheet, the written pattern, I've got charts, all of this, and I thought I would lose my mind.